This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, on the gold market the situation is very similar to the euro currency, whether this was due the initial approval by the Senate Committee of the invasion in the Syria and then strike on the Syria, or maybe some other reasons also involved in this action. But anyway, you can see that although market has shown the attempt to move high as we have suggested, but it couldn't held above the weekly pivot point and returns right back. But we should keep in mind that this section in fact stands right above the even minor fib support area, 1372. That is the initial, very closest the fib support level. That is also the weekly pivot support one, and in general market still holds above this area. That's in by itself it looks bullish, and in general this keeps the road open for the potential move to the upside. Besides, this move to the downside is not as drastical as it seems on the first glance, because in fact it gives us opportunity to pretend and to watch for potential bullish, maybe not quite bullish, but the pattern that suggests the upward action, and this pattern calls as the butterfly sell. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, here is the pattern I have drawn for you. The 127 extension, the minimum nearest extension of this pattern stands at 1450 area. Okay, until market holds above this trend line, this lows holds, we could count on this potential move to the upside. If market will erase these lows, continue move to the downside, this probably could tell us that some deeper retracement could happen. And even if this will happen, some deeper move, as we have discussed in our weekly research, this will not be the strategy for the bulls, because even retracement to this conference support 1335 area will not be there. Some problems, because this is the normal retracement. This is the previous swing high. You can see market could retracement right down, and we said that we will treat this until this level. We will treat this retracement as normal and reasonable. That's why if market even hold above this level, that will be just perfect from the bullish point of view. Well, and the current action, the current consolidation on the gold market, you could treat differently. So that is the first pattern that I is showing you. Another pattern you probably could find here, some triangle that is forming, right? Right here you can see this possible triangle. And on the 4-hour time frame, you could see that you could treat this pattern also as the descending flag pattern. It's right here. So if you contract the chart, you can see that this could be treated as the flag pattern to the upside. It's a bit wide for the hourly chart, but on the daily time frame it looks like the flag. Well, probably this flag could shift to some descending bullish wedge pattern, something that sort. Sorry guys, that's uploading. That's why I think that is a bit too early to speak about the reestablishing of the bear trend and the bearish continuation, especially until this low still holds. That's why keep an eye on this potential pattern. Also guys, if you would like to trade this butterfly, this currently is a nice opportunity to do this, because market stands very close to the invalidation point of this pattern. If market will start to move higher, you will have to place the stop here. That's why this will be worse risk reward ratio. This will be far stop. That's why if you trade butterflies, I just show you the pattern that currently could appear here, and think about to deal with it or to not. That's been said. Major conclusion is as follows: as market still holds above the even minor fib support, and it has chances to continue to the upside, it has chances to form some bullish continuation pattern as the triangle or butterfly. I think that's a bit early to take the bearish short position. And tell about the bearish continuation of the trend to the downside.